This is the Start Pickin self-watering raised bed grow box, and it's manufactured by the emsco group. You'll need potting mix, dolomite, fertilizer, water, and seeds or seedlings. This is how you use the grow box. The aeration screen fits into the box and allows for a reservoir beneath it, a space for water between the screen and the bottom of the box. Dampen a portion of the potting mix and fill the two center sections, packing the mix in tightly. The mix in these sections sits within the reservoir and are a part of the wicking action that is at the core of this product. Place the watering tube in the corner hole in the screen. Make sure it reaches the bottom of the box. Add moistened potting mix to the box, filling it within 2 inches of the top. Add a thin layer of dolomite to the surface of the mix. Dolomite promotes healthy root growth as well as maintaining good pH levels. Add more potting mix and mix in the dolomite with the top 2 inches or so and level the surface. Before adding the fertilizer, cut an opening in the mulch cover for the watering tube. Use a utility knife or small scissors. The mulch cover slows down surface evaporation. The mix stays damp longer and so needs less watering. Set the mulch cover aside. Create a trough next to the watering tube for fertilizer. Use only granular fertilizer, not liquid or powder. We used a seed starter mix that includes nutrients. We're planting basil, which doesn't require a lot of food compared to tomatoes, for example, so we added only a small amount of fertilizer. For a vegetable crop, add up to 1 cup of synthetic fertilizer and 2 cups organic, but take into consideration the nutrient value of your potting mix. Place the mulch cover over the top of the bed and tighten it with the cord lock. Cut an X at each spot you want to add seeds or seedlings. When I purchased this product, after I came home, I saw it didn't have the mulch cover in the kit, so I contacted the company through the website and they sent me a cover free of charge. Excellent customer service from the emsco group. Drop a few seeds through each opening, gently pushing them into the mix. We're growing 2 different types of basil, Genoese and lemon, both of which are heat tolerant. We placed the grow box here on the front porch, where it will stay for the summer. With the product in place, add water to the reservoir through the watering tube, watching for overflow from the drainage holes on the sides of the grow box. The reservoir holds about 1.5 gallons of water. The water is slowly wicked upward by the mix packed into the center sections of the aeration screen. In turn, this keeps the mix moist but not wet, and hopefully results in healthier, more productive plants with fewer waterings. A few days later, the seeds have germinated. Gently lifting the cover, we can see the potting mix has retained quite a bit of moisture. We'll probably need to water twice a week at most when the temperatures hit over 100 degrees. Near the end of summer, we'll take out the basil and plant tomatoes or peppers for the cooler months here in Phoenix. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.